What's up, everyone? Gone with Culture here. So I'm actually making this quick video to all my YouTube subscribers regarding my new and secret course that's actually about to be released. But before we even get into the course, I actually want to talk to you guys about you're probably already involved into eBay drop shipping right now, or e-commerce, or you're looking to probably get started but don't know how, or don't know the secret strategies to actually use to really scale up your business, what the gurus out there are not talking to you about on YouTube. So what me and my partner Chris actually did, you guys will be seeing him a lot. He's not here right now because he's working on this training course. It's really dope. We really put in a lot of content. We actually even put in some things that a lot of these so-called gurus are not actually even showing you guys on how to scale up your business. But I'm actually here to talk to you guys about how to actually get involved into e-commerce, and how to actually be able to find products, number one, how to be able to and matter of fact, before I even go in deep, I want you to actually click the link below to actually steal our free PDF. We are giving away the top 5 products that we're actually selling right now on eBay for free. You don't have to pay for anything. All you have to do is put in your email. I think that's it. Just put in your email and it will automatically send it to you. And you can actually join our Facebook group and our Telegram, where we talk about e-commerce and eBay dropshipping 24/7. This is what we do for a living. We love doing e-commerce. But before I actually even get into this, I want to actually tell you guys about myself. Right now, as you can tell, you guys are on my YouTube page. My name is Gone with Culture. I am a 22-year-old entrepreneur. I started eBay dropshipping when I was 18, 19 years old. Back then, when I was in high school, you probably asked me, what were you selling, Gowan? But back then, we were actually selling, some unauthentic stuff on eBay. It was really selling a lot, but we didn't know it was dropshipping. We were basically buying products for $20, $30, and reselling it on eBay for $250 daily. Like, we were making $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a day. But we didn't know it was drop shipping till 3-4 years later. We were like, whoa, we don't have to actually buy the product and ship it ourselves. We can just get the supplier to actually ship it, which is the point of drop shipping. We don't have to actually touch the inventory. All we have to do is run the ads, scale up the store, make sure the inventory is on point, make sure we have suppliers, and make sure that everything is completely organized. That's the major key in business. So when I started doing that, I decided to partner up with Chris, and we took our business to the next level. It was going crazy, and now we're here to actually give away some free content, give away our training, give away different things to actually help you guys take your business to the next level. Because I do totally understand that starting a business is really not easy, especially when you're not getting the right information. There's tons of videos everywhere. There's tons of information on Google, but when you're not getting the right information, it's going to really actually hurt you, because now you're going in a circle. So fast forward to, now we decided to actually create a free PDF for you guys, and I want you guys to click the link below. The link is going to be in the video actually, but click the link below. Still, that free PDF is going to actually give you 5 of the products that we're selling right now. That's automatically, if you post this product right now on your store, it's going to automatically sell right now. We're giving that away for free. Another thing that we're actually doing, we are releasing our university. I won't talk to you guys about that right now because it's super dope. I cannot wait to actually release that. But if you subscribe to my channel, you will know when it's actually released. Or if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you will definitely know when it's released. So I will drop the Facebook group here, and my IG and my personal Facebook, to get in contact with me if you have any questions. And the link to the 5 products that is going to sell right now in your eBay business. So we are going to be consistent with this, releasing daily content and really helping everyone scale up your business, because at the end of the day, we can make money all day. That's not the problem. But if we're helping other people make money, it's going to really make us happy, and it's going to put us in a position to really give out more and more content. So I'm going to actually let you guys go, but I do want to tell you guys this: no matter where you are in your business, stay consistent. Stay consistent, because in business, things happen where you might, like I said, you might not be getting the right information, or you might be stuck somewhere, but you need help taking your business to the next level. And this is why we're here. So I love you guys. See you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe somewhere around here, on the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next video when we're releasing our university. Peace.